Without wasting much time, let's begin this class. As you all know, history class begins with a question. I will randomly choose the person to answer the question. Adrian, who is the current president of the Republic of Kenya? That is a simple question. The current president is Honorable Raila Odinga. Why are you clapping? Yet the answer is wrong. The current president is Uhuru Kenyatta. We still have to wait for clarification from the election committee.
Somebody is not serious with schoolwork.
Who cares? As long as I get clean A, I don't have to worry about a thing. I have it all figured out.
Where is your twin brother?
He is still asleep. You miss him.
Why would I miss that prick?
You like him, that's why you keep on talking about him. I can convince him to date you.
Do I look like I need help getting a boyfriend?
Young man, maintain silence in my class. I am giving out a sit-in cat. If you have a friend who is not in class yet, inform them of the cat. The exam begins in 10 minutes. I don't even have a pen. That's not my problem. All that I need from you is good grades. I don't care whether you will write on a stone tablet. Go to hell. I heard that.
I am very sorry for coming late, sir.
Are you part of this class? I have never seen you in my class before. You are the type of students that only attend classes during exam periods and assessment tests.
My name is Charlie. I have never missed even a single history class.
We will see about that. Take a seat and get ready for the cat. I hope that everybody has arrived. Get some papers and a pen. Write down this question and answer it. Elucidate the causes and effects of post-election violence in any given country. 30 marks. You have 1 hour left. I am sorry for being late. Claude, you are the exact opposite of your twin brother. I don't want any excuses. Sit down and do the cat. Thank you, Circe. Man, how is everything? Everything is cool. I was in Hall 4 chilling with my friends. Thanks for informing me about the exam. We are brothers, you can always count on me. Cool, how many answers have you written down? I am almost done with the causes of post-election violence. Show me.
1 hour later.
For those who have not yet handed in their papers, you only have 3 minutes left. Make sure you have written your name and your admission number. Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Adrian.
Where are you headed to?
I am headed to Alpha Cafe now. I am going to have my lunch. Why do you ask?
I was wondering where you are headed to since you were in a rush. Do you mind if I join you?
I don't mind as long as you will pay the bills.
Okay, let's get going.
I'm starving already.
Follow me. Adrian and his twin brother both were in the same class since they were taking a similar course. Charlie was also a member of their class. She was also Faith's roommate. Meanwhile, Adrian and Charlie head to Alpha Larambe Cafe for lunch. How comes this place is almost empty today?
Good for us, we won't have to deal with the long queue.
I'm headed to the counter. What food should I order?
Get me pizza and a cold bottle of Schweppes.
I will have whatever food you are having. Good morning, Betty.
Good morning, Adrian. How may I help you?
Can I have a full pizza and 2 bottles of Schweppes?
I am so sorry, but we have run out of food. Students came in a very large number today. We only have popcorns left.
What? Oh Christ. They have no food left, they only have popcorns.
Oh God. Let's go to my place. I will prepare some food.
What a day, so boring. I totally have nothing to do. I guess I should find something important to do. Right, I can play video games since I am totally bored. This is exactly what I need. Let's play.